Hello everyone! I am Miss Anna, an English teacher, and this is our English lesson. In the previous video, you had an opportunity to learn the names of different school and university subjects and school routines, such as exams, timetables, and assignments. We are going to continue learning about education today. You'll find out how to talk about your favorite subjects and some school rules too. So, let's start with a tiny revision of what you've already learned. There will be a list of words on the screen, and your task is to find the odd one, the word which is different. This is our first set of words: take, exam, fail, and pass. They are all connected with education, however, one of them is extra. Which one? Of course, the word exam is odd as it is a noun. Other words are verbs. Let's check the next line. Here they are: an essay, an exam, a semester, and a test. All these words are nouns, right? So it means you need to look for another criteria. Which one is odd here? It's definitely a semester. All other words are types of assessment. I hope you remember this word from the previous video. And now it's time for the last set of words. These are law, subject, psychology, and music. Do you have any ideas which word is odd? Needless to say, it is subject. It is simple, as law, psychology, and music are specific subjects, and the word subject itself is a general word. Okay, now that we have revised our vocabulary, it's time to learn something new. When we discuss school and school subjects, we usually talk about things we like or dislike. It's always easy to say that you love or hate something with the words like love, dislike, and hate. But there are a lot of amazing phrases in English that can help you express your attitude and show that you are a professional user of English. Here are some useful phrases you can use to express how you feel about different school subjects. If you have positive attitude to a subject, use these phrases. I'm crazy about maths. I'm passionate about biology. I'm addicted to chemistry. I'm really into English. If you dislike a subject, you can express it by using such phrases as: maths is not my cup of tea. I can't stand biology. I'm not a big fan of chemistry. English is not my thing. Of course, instead of the mentioned subjects, you can say or write other subject names. And what about you? Which are your favorite subjects at school? And which subjects are you not really into? Try making sentences of your own using these phrases. There are also some phrases that can be quite useful in your studies. Let's check them out now. You'll have to work hard if you want to pass the exams. I'm not quite sure, but answer B might be correct. It could also be option D. May I ask a question? If you want to understand this topic better, you should consult your teacher. You shouldn't scroll your newsfeed for too long when your homework is not finished. The highlighted words will, might, could, may, should, and shouldn't help us understand that different meanings of the verbs are implied. They are called modal verbs. Let's take a look at them once again. You'll have to work hard if you want to pass exams. We are quite sure that it is necessary to work hard to pass the exams. We use will to show it. I'm not quite sure, but answer B might be correct. It could also be option D. Both might and could show that we are not sure. You can use them when you hesitate. May I ask a question? Use the verb may to ask for permission if you want to do something. If you want to understand this topic better, you should consult your teacher. You shouldn't scroll your newsfeed for too long when your homework is not finished. Verbs should and shouldn't can be used to give a piece of advice. You can use them to say that it's a good idea or a bad idea to do something. So, another thing we focused on today is modal verbs. Modal verbs are a little bit unlike other verbs. They do not change their form. Basically, these are the verbs that are used to express attitude to the action. They help us understand what we can or can't do, show that we are sure or unsure about something, and so on. Well, today we've had a great practice of school vocabulary, useful phrases, and we've learned about modal verbs too. Remember to train your hard and soft skills, manage your time, and learn English. See you next time!